Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to this brand new video. In this video we will create a cool parallax effect by just using CSS. We are not using JavaScript or any plugin or any library. We are only using pure CSS to create this really cool and simple parallax effect for your own website. My name is Phil, this is BananaCoding, and have fun watching the video right now. So let's begin. Really fast to do here, a little really quick tip tutorial, really fast to do. All you need is CSS and a little bit of HTML, no JavaScript, and let's begin right now. So first things first, we're going to create a div container and we give it a class of parallax. In this container I will include the image later, but let's create a second and a third container, div container here. But the one in the middle has the class of content, and the first and the third container around the second container have the class of parallax. That's all you have to do in the HTML file. So go into your styles.css. Of course I included the styles.css in my HTML file and the head tag. So in my styles.css I have just a little bit of body code here right now, nothing what is interesting now. I'm changing the code later. So we're gonna style first things first the content container. And we're gonna say height will be, let's say, 1000 pixel. And we're gonna say width will be, let's say, 100%. And at least we'll take a color. Let's take a cool highlight red color here right now. Let's take, for example, RGB, and yeah, 255, 136, and 136. That's a cool red right now, and as you can see, it will take the whole height and width of the body. Of course we need to style the parallax container and the parallax class as well, so .parallax. And what you do now is first things first, you're gonna say min minus height will be 900 pixels, for example. Of course, for getting the value for your height you always have to watch on your image, and my image 900 pixels is really cool. And as you can see now, you have the blue area here will be the image later, then we have the content red area and the blue area for the image again. But now let's take the image, well, let's say background minus, or just background URL, and I prepared the image here, so I named this background.jpg, and it will looks like this here. And as you can see now, if you scroll down, let's make it a bit bigger. If I scroll down, nothing special to see here, just an image, a red container, and an image. So let's create a parallax effect really quick. So we can do background minus attachment, and this is the point where you fix your background and you start having a parallax effect right now. But let's give it some more code here. Let's say background minus position will be center, to bring the image in the center of the container. And let's at least say background minus repeat will be no repeat. And of course you can say background minus size will be contain. Oh, let's say cover. Yeah, that's better. All right, cover here right now. And yeah, we are ready. That's all you have to do, and I will show you the result right now. If you scroll down, it has a really cool and simple parallax effect, which is really quick coded in maybe, let's say, 3 minutes, not more, and it looks really cool and really stunning, and it's pretty easy to do. Alright, I hope you guys liked my video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to see more, please give me a thumbs up and a comment. I really would appreciate that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.